Hello everyone, today I will teach you a Rubik's Cube trick. This trick requires a very specific grip. Your thumb should go at the back over there and you should put your index or middle finger, I prefer my index finger, at the front over here. Then you can execute this algorithm, R4, and as you finish this move without regripping, switch to a U4, going around the top, and again, without a regrip, change over to an R4, and then switch to a U4, and once more, R4, and U4. And you can repeat the sequence however many times you want. This algorithm does take more practice to get good at because of the unusual wrist turns. However, once you get fast at it, this is what the trick should look like. I hope that you enjoyed this trick. Please subscribe with all notifications, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.